Say name of the story. Say.
Name of the story: A great dog. One day, a dog was walking happily towards everywhere. On the way, he found fresh board. The board started crossing everywhere. While crossing everywhere, he looked into the water. He saw a dog with a ball. He thought it was another dog. A great dog, but it to get it bone too. As he opened his mouth, his bone fell into the water. You have to go third bone. Moral of the story: should not greedy.
Very good. Super.